Managing different time zones in Deel can be a tricky task if you're new to the software, but once you understand how to handle it, it becomes a smooth part of your workflow. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about handling time zones in Deel so you can make the most out of the platform and avoid any scheduling headaches. Deel is a powerful tool for managing remote teams, whether you're hiring contractors or full-time employees globally. One of its most important features is its ability to handle different time zones, and understanding how to leverage this can save you a lot of stress and confusion. First, Deel allows you to set time zones for each individual team member or contractor. When you're creating a contract or setting up a new employee, Deel prompts you to enter the employee's location. This is important because it automatically sets their time zone according to the country or city they're located in. This means that you won't have to manually calculate time differences when scheduling meetings or setting deadlines. Another key feature is the time zone adjustment when you're setting up payroll. Deel takes the hassle out of calculating work hours by automatically adjusting for time zone differences. If your team is spread out across the globe, you can rest easy knowing that Deel will handle all of the conversions for you, ensuring payroll is calculated fairly and accurately. If you need to schedule meetings with a team spread across different time zones, Deel integrates with tools like Google Calendar and Outlook, automatically adjusting for time zone differences. When you create an event in Deel, you can select the time zone for each person, making it easy to find a time that works for everyone. Deel will automatically convert the meeting time to the correct time zone for each attendee. But here's something you might not know. Deel also allows you to set your own time zone preferences within the platform. This ensures that when you view your dashboard, everything is adjusted to your local time, even if your team members are in different parts of the world. You won't have to manually adjust each time you check a report or set a deadline. A great trick to make the most of Deel's time zone features is using the platform's automatic reminders and notifications. Deel can send notifications based on each user's local time zone, meaning you'll never miss an important task or deadline, whether you're coordinating a global team or managing freelancers across continents. These reminders will keep everyone on track. And for those of you managing multiple team members, Deel's user interface makes it easy to see what time zone each team member is in at a glance. This can be especially helpful when trying to coordinate work across teams in different regions. The dashboard gives you an overview of who's available when and can even highlight potential scheduling conflicts. Lastly, one of the best features of Deel when managing time zones is its transparency. It doesn't hide anything behind complicated settings. Everything is visible and clear, so you can make decisions with confidence, whether you're scheduling a call, setting a deadline, or processing payroll. Now, if you're new to Deel and want to try out all of these amazing features for yourself, you can use the software for completely free by clicking the first link below. Plus, when you sign up through our exclusive link, you'll get additional bonuses that make this tool even more powerful for your team. Deel is an incredible platform, especially for businesses working across different time zones. And now that you know how to use it to handle time zones efficiently, you're ready to streamline your remote team's operations. So remember to click the link below for your free trial and experience everything Deel has to offer. Don't miss out on this extended free trial and get your time zone issues handled with Deel today.